ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्ल यजुर्वेदीय कान्व शाख्या बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद पेज नंबर 605। मनस्पंदित मात्रम विषय जातम। दिस इज व्हाट टीकाकार सेड। एंटायर विषय समूह इज मनस्पंदित मात्र। मनोदृश्यमिदं सर्वं यत्किंचित सचराचरम मनसो ह्यमनि भावे द्वैतम नैवोपलभ्यते। So that अन्वय व्यतिरेक he has shown. मनोदृश्यमिदं द्वैतम is मांडुक्य कारिका. So he said मनसि सति विषय विषयी भावस्य दर्शनात्. What is मनः? टीका संकल्प विकल्पात्मक सेकंड लाइन संकल्प विकल्पात्मक मनः स्पंदित द्वैतस्य संकल्पात्मके मनसि अंतर्भावात्। संकल्प विकल्पात्मकम मनः मनस्पंदित द्वैत is all included in mind itself. मनसि अंतर्भावात्। तस्य च संकल्पस्य अध्यवसाय पारतंत्र्य दर्शनात्। इस संकल्पस्य अध्यवसाय पारतंत्र्य दर्शनात्. It is dependent upon अध्यवसाय. This we had seen yesterday, right?
Yes, Swamiji.
It is dependent upon buddhi. अध्यवसायात्मिकां च बुद्धौ तद विषयस्य पूर्ववद अनुप्रवेशात्. विषय then enters into buddhi and therefore mano विषय सामान्यस्य बुद्धि विषय सामान्य प्रविष्टस्य. मनो विषय सामान्य now has become बुद्धि विषय सामान्य प्रविष्टस्य. So what is he showing? Paramparaya everything is in Brahma. The laya is in Brahma. Paramparaya. Directly we may not see. So he said everything what we see is manaspanditam. Then mana in buddhi like that. बुद्धि विषय सामान्य प्रविष्टस्य तद व्यतिरेकेण असत्वम. Other than buddhi they are not available in भाष्य. एवं मनो विषयोपि बुद्धि विषय सामान्य मात्रे प्रविष्टस् तद व्यतिरेकेण अभाव भूतो भवति. मनो विषयोपि the मन विषय is बुद्धि विषय सामान्य मात्रे प्रविष्ट है, is entered into बुद्धि विषय सामान्य. तद व्यतिरेकेण अभाव भूतो भवति. In the absence of that it is अभाव रूप अभाव भूतो भवति. अभाव भूतः कः भवति? मनो विषयः. टीका सर्वं जगत् उक्तेन न्यायेन बुद्धिमात्रं भूत्वा तद्यच्छेत् शांत आत्मनि इति श्रुत्या. ब्रह्मणि पर्यवस्यति. सर्वं जगत उक्त न्यायेन बुद्धिमात्रं भूत्वा. So we have brought everything up to buddhi. From the sparsha, he took the drishtanta of sparsha. All of that sparsha is there in sparsha samanya. Sparsha samanya is manovishaya. Manovishaya is manovishaya samanya. In this way, then buddhi vishaya samanya. Up to that, having brought buddhi matram bhutva. Now here Purvapaksha can come. That if you say everything is buddhi alone, buddhi matram, then you are talking like a kshanik vijnanavadi. They also say the same thing. Everything is vijnana. It is buddhi. Buddhi matram bhutva. Yogachara mate tu santi matayo tasam vivarto khilaha. Yogachara mata, they say everything is vivarta of mati, buddhi, vritti. So that is what you are also saying. So we say no. Tad yachet shanta atmani. We don't stop at buddhi. We go further to atma, which is shanta. Shanta means shantam, shivam, advaitam. You should understand. Iti shrutya brahmani paryavasyati ityaha. विज्ञान मात्रम एव भूत्वा प्रज्ञान घने परे ब्रह्मणि आप इव समुद्रे प्रलीयते. Having become विज्ञान मात्रम एव भूत्वा प्रज्ञान घने परे ब्रह्मणि. In the प्रज्ञान घन पर ब्रह्म परे ब्रह्मणि आप इव समुद्रे प्रलीयते. Like how आपः प्रलय स्थानम is samudra. Like that, all the Vishayas, their dissolution, pralaya sthanam is prajnana ghana, Brahma. Tika. Nanu jagadidam viliyamanam shaktishesham eva viliyate. Tattva jnana dhrite tasya nishesha nasha anashrayanat. Purvapakshi says, idam jagat viliyamana. Like for example, in Sushupti. In Sushupti, there is laya of this jagat. And at that time, what happens? Shakti shesham viliyate. Shakti means it leaves the pada, padartha, sambandha. Here, Shakti is given also as 12 number tippani. Karanatmana avasthanam yatha syat tatha. Shakti means Maya Shakti you take. So that Maya is left. So that next day, again everything. See, normally pralaya should mean it is dissolved. But in Sushupti, such pralaya is not happening. Everything is kept intact. Ghata, pata, all my buddhi, jnanam of padartha, pada padartha, sambandha, everything is there. I don't start calling Chaitra as Maitra, Maitra as Vriksha, like that. Everything is separate. And aham, mama, idam, all this is separated. In Sushupti, that laya is not happening. So Shakti Shesham eva viliyate. Tattva jnana dhrite tasya nishesha nasha anashrayana. Without Tattva jnanam, nishesha nasha is not possible. Nishesha nasha will be where? Where everything is badhita. I don't see anything as different from Brahma. So nishesha nasha anashrayanat, without Tattva jnana. Tathacha kuto brahmaika rasasya pratipattihi. So then how brahmaika rasa pratipatti will happen? How I will see everything as Brahma, Brahma? अतः एवं एवं परंपरा क्रमेण शब्दादौ सह ग्राहकेण करणेन प्रलीने प्रज्ञान घने उपाधि अभावात् सैंधव घनवत् प्रज्ञान घनम एकरसम अनंतमपारम निरंतरम ब्रह्म व्यवतिष्ठते. एवं इन दिस वे परंपरा क्रमेण इन सक्सेशन शब्दादौ सह ग्राहकेण करणेन प्रलीने प्रज्ञान घने सति शब्दादौ सह ग्राहकेण करणेन. शब्दादि आर विषय, not only विषय, their laya is in Brahma. Karana laya is also in Brahma. Saha grahakena, grahaka karana will be Shrotra Indriya. Its laya is also happening. Praline Prajnana Gane Upadhi Abhavat Saindava Ganavat. So now Upadhi is not there. Vishayas are also not there. Upadhis are also not there. Upadhi Abhavat Saindava Ganavat Prajnana Ghanam Ekarasam Anantam Aparam. So now it is like Saindava Gana, like a huge piece of salt. Like from ocean you may get, but like this Himalayan salt they show, right? It is like a huge, it is a small mountain kind. It is salt only everywhere. It is Saindava Gana. Prajnana Ganam, Ekarasam, Anantam Aparam. Anantam, endless. Aparam, also shoreless, means endless. Nirantaram Brahma Vyavatisthate. Nirantaram, all the time. Nirantaram actually means Sanatanam. Brahma Vyavatisthate. Brahma alone remains. Tika. शक्ति शेष लये अपि तस्या दुर्निरूपत्वात् वस्तुैकरस्य धीः अविरुद्धा इति भावः. शक्ति शेष लये अपि, even if the laya is of shakti shesha type, shakti shesha शक्ति ही शेषा यस्मिन् लये तल्लयः शक्ति शेष लय. So that shakti shesha is the visheshana for laya. What kind of laya it is? That laya where shakti is shesha. Means everything goes to avidya. Everything comes back from avidya because avidya is there. Tasya durnirupatvat. But that Shakti Sheshalaya is also difficult to explain. Durnirupatvat. Vastu ekarasya dhihi aviruddha. Vastu ekarasya dhi means everything has become one. That cannot be contradicted. Means in Sushupti, even if everything is there, everything appears only as one. Like in Andhakara, in darkness. And when Jnanam takes place, then Upadhi is also negated, Vishayas are already negated, everything is one. Ekayana Prakriya Tatparyam Upasamharati. Pakara is missing. So this whole topic is called what?
Ekayana Prakriya.
Ekayana Prakriya. This topic is called Ekayana Prakriya. Eka ayanam yasmin iti ekayanam. everything goes to one. Ayanam means pralaya. Pralaya means praliyate asmin iti pralayah. So Brahma is the ekayanam. Tasmad atmaiva ekam advayam iti pratipattavya. And that Brahma is Atma. Therefore, Atma eva ekam advayam. In this way, you should know. Pratipattavya. Grana Vishaya Samanyam Ityada Vekayanam iti Sarvatra Sambandha. Grana Vishaya Samanyam. So now he explained up to two. Drishtanta Samudra. Darshtanta Sparsha. Now he says Grana Vishaya Samanyam Ityadav. After that, whatever is given as Grana Vishaya Samanyam. Gandhanam Nasike Kayanam, Sarvesham Rasanam Jihva Kayanam Ityadi. For all of that, in them, same idea you should carry forward. Ekayanam iti sarvatra sambandha. Tika. Katham punaha atra prati paryayam brahmani paryavasanam. How in every paryayam, means in every vikalpa, everything merges in Brahma only. How? Tatraha. Tatha sarvesham gandhanam. See the importance of this prakriya. We may hear this, but we will never get this buddhi. Everything goes to Brahma. Because that in between, everything is manaspandanam, everything is from buddhi. That part is missing in our general thinking unless somebody sits down and reflects on this specifically. So I may jump directly saying everything is from Brahman, everything is from Brahman. Without thinking, everything is projection of my mind. And therefore, everything is Brahma. When mind is calm, this is okay. When mind gets a little bit disturbed, then I give so much importance to that disturbed mind and its projection, I forget that it is projection. So this prakriya, that Brahma is abhinna nimitta upadana karanam, is very much needed, that adhyaropa, so that when I do apavada, Brahma alone will remain. Otherwise, Brahma will not remain. That's why pralaya thing he is explaining at the end. Before that, he explains sthiti, utpatti. Once I know this, then pralaya will be easy. So how Brahmani Paryavasanam in all the paryayas in Bhashya, tatha sarvesham gandhanam prithvi visheshanam nasike grana vishaya samanyam. All the gandhas, sarvesham gandhanam, which are prithvi visheshanam nasike, in the nasika grana vishaya samanyam. Nasike shabda refers to two nasikas, right? But yesterday we saw it is not referring, I think we saw yesterday, it is not referring to Indriya. It is referring to Grana Vishaya Samanyam. We saw that yesterday. If you see Tvag Ekayanam, what is Tvag? Sparsha Samanya. Tvag means Tvag Vishayam. On page 604, Bhashya, third line. Tvag means Sparsha Samanyam. So you see, when we see mantra by itself, Tvag refers to Tvagindriya. Nasika, he has already given Nasike, so two nostrils, that is very clear. But when Bhagwan Bhashyakar does Vyakhya, he has done Lakshana. So Tvag means Sparsha Samanya. all sparsha. Similarly, now here, gandha, right? So it is grana vishaya samanya, not nasika. Grana vishaya samanya. Grana vishaya is gandha, gandha samanyam is what? That is what he is taking. यथा सर्वेषु पर्यायेषु ब्रह्मणि पर्यवसानम तथा उच्यते इति यावत्. Why it is said in this way? So that in all the paryaya, paryavasanam is in Brahma. So my thinking is incomplete if I don't take my thought process until Brahma. So not let us say in this, but in general you start thinking, it will help a lot. Why am I dukhi? Let us say, this is a fundamental question we always will have. Whenever we are dukhi, then we should ask this. Why am I dukhi? Why am I dukhi? Because I have forgotten I am Brahma. The main answer. As Brahma, I am not dukhi. As Jiva, I am dukhi. So like this, all my vichara should take me up to Brahma. Then something, if it is required to be done, you do it. If it is possible, if you don't do, it is not a big thing. Means as long as you are living with people, you have to do some things. Like one day I heard somebody saying, if you are studying Vedanta, you don't have to take bath. That is not true. You just because you are studying Vedanta doesn't. Those who are in sixth bhumika, they are different. They don't take bath, they don't eat, they don't do shaucham. It is very different. You are not in Chaturtha Bhumika and you say, I am studying Vedanta. That is not true. Those who are in highest Bhumika, for them, nothing, there is no niyama. For everybody else, some niyamas will be there. Vidhi Nisheda may not be there of the Vedas. But some kind, some other niyamas will be there. You may not follow the Shaucha niyamas and Snana niyamas, like 16 times you will have to wash hands and so many times. That you may not do. But other niyamas you may follow. But when that such vichara is there for person who is woken up by others, otherwise he doesn't know there is Jagat. Such people are different. Purvavat iti tvag vishaya samanyavat ityartha. Purvavat means tvag vishaya samanya. For sparsha it was tvag vishaya samanya. Here it is gandha, grana vishaya samanyam. Then further, tatha sarvesham rasanam abvisheshanam. Abvishesha means up, jala. Abvisheshanam jihvendriya vishaya samanyam. Jihva indriya vishaya samanyam. They all are arising from Abvisheshas. They are arising from Ab Samanya, which is Jiva Indriya Vishaya Samanya. Tatha Sarvesham Rupanam Tejo Vishayanam Chakshuhu. Chakshur Vishaya Samanya. Chakshuhu means Chakshu Vishaya Samanya. Tatha Shabdanam Shrotra Vishaya Samanyam Purvavat. So up to Purvavat we have seen in Tika. Purvavat means Tvag Vishaya Samanyam. Like Tvag Vishaya Samanyam, here it is Shrotra Vishaya Samanyam, Chakshur Vishaya Samanyam, Jivendriya Vishaya Samanyam, etc. तथा श्रोत्रादि विषय सामान्यानां मनो विषय सामान्ये संकल्पे, श्रोत्रादि विषय सामान्यानां लय विल बी इन मनो विषय सामान्य संकल्पे। मनो विषय सामान्यस्यापि बुद्धि विषय सामान्ये विज्ञान मात्रे लयः और प्रलयः, यू कैन से। मनो विषय सामान्यस्य बुद्धि विषय सामान्य प्रलयः, श्रोत्रादि विषय सामान्यानां मनो विषय सामान्ये संकल्पे प्रलय। Then vijnana matram bhutva, now it has become vijnana matra. So buddhi is nothing but vijnana matram. In other words, the vritti jnanam is nothing but kutastha jnanam. Or vritti means, don't take it literally, huh? In the context only you take this vakya. Vritti jnanam is vivarta of kutastha jnanam. Because buddhi vishaya samanya laya has to be happen in vijnana matra. Buddhi vishaya samanya is jnanam. That jnana laya is in vijnana. That vijnana matram is prajnana ghana. Vijnana matram bhutva parasmin prajnana ghane praliyate. Praliyate, whenever we hear, it doesn't mean that pralaya has to happen. Pralaya means in the adhisthana or in karana, I see karya as mithya. This is called pralaya. Pralaya is not that actually something has happened. Like in mrittika, if I see ghata, then ghata has become mithya. Because it is not ghata, it is mrittika only. Vacharambanam. Tika. So up till now, he has shown Jnanendriya, their Vishayas, and Antakarana, Mana Buddhi. Now he says, Evam Sarvesham Karmanam Ityadehe Arthama. Tatha Karmendriyanam Vishayaha. So now Karmendriya Vishayas, Karmendriyanam Vishayaha, Vadana, Adana, Gamana, Visarga, Ananda Visheshaha. Tattat Kriya Samanyeshveva Pravishta, Na Vibhaga Yogya Bhavanti. Samudra Iva Abvisheshaha. Karmendriyanam Vishayaha. Karmendriya Vishayas, Vadana, Adana, Gamana, Visarga, Ananda. 5 Vishayas are given. Tattat Kriya Samanyeshu eva pravishta. They all are entered in Kriya Samanya. Na Vibhaga Yogya Bhavanti. So then earlier that word came Avibhaga. So there is no Vibhaga anymore because it is same. You cannot distinguish anything. That in Sushupti what happens? Everyone goes to Sushupti with their own vasanas, with their own jnanam, upasana. Next day morning, they come back with whatever they had slept with. So in that they give Drishtanta. You might have seen, Ganga Jala is cold right now. Like if you fill it in Kamandalu, outside you can see the coolness. So when there were no refrigerator and all, big refrigerators, these people who have milk, dudwala, in huge can, they used to get milk from village, etc. And if it is still there, they want to preserve it. So what they will do, they will tie it. They'll put a lock, they'll tie, the chains are there. They'll put that in. It will remain cold whole night. It's like a cold storage. Then next day. That milk does not become one with Gangaji. It is kept separate. Like that, the avidya samanya is there. Each person has their own avidya, vasana, they keep separate, samskaras. Then next day, they come out with the same thing. If you had this much water and this much milk, then that only will come. Nothing will change. So there, vibhaga is there. But when pralaya happens, then there is no vibhaga. Means when the jnanam takes place, then vibhaga yogyatvam is not there. Na vibhaga yogya bhavanti. Samudra iva abvisheshaha. Like in samudra, all the nadi, the river waters, they don't remain separate. Abvisheshaha na vibhaga yogya bhavanti samudre. टीका क्रिया सामान्यानां सूत्रात्म संस्थान भेदत्वम अभ्युपेत्य आह. क्रिया सामान्यानां सूत्रात्म संस्थान भेदत्वम. So सूत्रात्म संस्थान भेद is there in क्रिया सामान्य. तानि च सामान्यानि प्राणमात्रम प्राणश्च प्रज्ञानमात्रम एव. All these samanya, they are pranamatra. Prana is prajnanamatra. By prana you have to take Hiranyagarbha. Sutratma, Tika is already given. Kriya samanyanam Sutratma sanstana vedatvam abhipetya. Samsthana means avaya vishesha. Sanstana Shabda means avayavish. So they are kept in a certain formation. Avayavas. It's called samsthana. Tanicha samanyani pranamatram. Pranascha prajnanagana. Prajnanamatram eva. Ika kriya jnana shaktyosh chid upadi bhutayosh chid abhedat. Chid अभेदात अभेदम अभिप्रेत्य प्राणश्च इत्यादि भाष्य. क्रिया शक्ति एंड ज्ञान शक्ति, two shaktis are there. क्रिया ज्ञान शक्तियों हो चिद उपाधि भूतयो हो. They are upadhis of Chaitanya. Chid upadhi bhutayo ho chid abhedat. Chaitanya upadhi is not different from Chaitanya. Chidabhedat, abhedam abhipretya. So they are all prana only. Means this nasika, chakshu, etc. and those vishayas, they all are Hiranyagarbha alone. Pranaha, pranascha ityadi bhashya. Pranascha prajnana matram eva. Tatra tayoho anyonya abhede manam aha. And how do you say there is anyonya abheda between prana and jnanam, prajnanam? So he gives pramanam. Yo vai pranaha sa prajna, ya vai prajna sa pranaha. Iti kaushitakino dhiyate. What is kaushitakino?
Upanishad. Upanishad.
Those who study Kaushitaki Upanishad, they are called Kaushitakinaha. Like Drishtanta Vajasaneinaha. Those who study Vajasane Upanishad, they are called Vajasaneinaha. Or Samavedinaha, like that, Kaushitakinaha. Means when there is can go because there is a trap always. Huh? Kaushitakinaha adhiya. Prathama Bhavach. Adhiyate is Bahuvachanam or Ekvachanam? Adhite, adhiyate, adhiyate. Wherever there are these Vishesha Rupas, you should be familiar, because that is where we can go wrong. टीका श्रुति मुखात करणलयो न प्रतिभाति स्वयं च व्याख्याते तत्र को हेतु. Purva Pakshi is asking, Shruti never said the laya of Karana, only you mentioned on your own. Shruti only mentioned the laya of the Vishayas. Shruti mukhat Karana layo na pratibhati swayam cha vyakhyate tatra ko hetu. You have swayam cha vyakhyate. When you have done the Vyakhyanam, what is the reason for that? Iti pruchati. Nanu sarvatra vishayasyaiva pralayo abhihito na tu karanasya tatra ko abhipraya. Everywhere Vishaya pralaya is discussed, but not Karana. But Karanas also have to go. Then only there is oneness. Tatra ko abhipraya. Iti padam. टीका श्रुत्या करणलयस्य अनुक्तत्वम अंगीकरोति. Shruti has not talked about Karanalaya. I agree. Anuktatvam angikaroti. Padham. Angikaroti should be one shabda. I will check and let you know, because in this previous edition also they have kept it separate. Angikaroti, what is the sutra? Chaucha. And that chvi, pratyaya. Online, anybody? How is it?
अभूतभावे क्लृप्त्वास्ति योगे संपद्यते श्रीः.
अभूततद्भावे कृभ्वस्ति योगे संपद्यते बाढ़म. So Purva Pakshi said, why there is no Karanalaya? Siddhanti says yes. Yes is not enough. You have to tell. पृष्ठम अभिप्रायम प्रकटयति किंतु विषय समान जातीयम करणम मन्यते श्रुति न तु जात्यंतरम. विषय समान जातीयम करणम. I told you in the first session when we started this topic, apanchikrita akasha, let us say. Apanchikrita akasha produces two things. What are the two things?
Shrotrendriya and Sabda.
Shabda and Shrotrendriya. So, Shabda Laya is discussed, Purva Pakshi said, and Shrotrendriya is not discussed. So, you say Vishaya Samana Jatiyam Karana. Karana, Shrotrendriya Karana is Vishaya Samana Jatiya. They have same Jati. Means they both are product or Karya of Apanchikrita Akasha. Therefore, Shruti doesn't need to separately mention it. Shruti hi manyate, natu jatyantaram manyate. So there is no different jati. It is samana jati. So by mentioning one, other is included. Karana sya vishaya sajatyam. Karana and Vishaya are sajatiya. In Kathopanishad, Indriyabhyahi parahi artha. So there compared to Indriya, Vishayas are shown superior. So you will have question, is Samana Jatiya, but there is a Bheda you are showing there. There is Paradorbalyam. One is superior, another is inferior. Like between mind and buddhi, you showed it is similar. But in Indriya and Vishaya, it is not. So how you should understand that Vakya of Kathopanishad? That Indriya is Simita, but Vishayas are Vyapaka. Therefore, they are considered superior. Indriyabhyahi para yartha. Or you say Vishaya has greater samarthya to even overpower Indriya. In Samanya case, it is like that. विषयस्यैव स्वात्मग्राहकत्वेन संस्थानान्तरं करणं नाम. विषय स्वात्मग्राहकत्वेन संस्थानान्तरम. I already told you what is samsthanam. Samsthanam is avayava vishesha. So how the avayava? So the same thing that vishaya, in other words, apanchikrita panchamahabhuta, any one you take. That same thing arranged in one way becomes Vishaya. Arranged differently, it is becoming the Indriya. This is what is Sansthanantaram. Same thing, just presented differently. In same atta, if you have, you make dosa or uttapam, it is Samsthanantaram only. You say, no, Swamiji, you don't know, we put more rice, we put more urad dal. There is Drashtanta, you should understand. Don't carry too much into it. Swatmagrahakatvena sansthanantaram karanam nama. Yatha rupa visheshasyeva sansthanam pradipaha. Rupa vishesha itself is appearing as pradipa. Karanam. Tika. किमत्र प्रमाणम इति आशंक्य अनुमानम इति सूचयति प्रतिपवर्तः. अनुमानम we will see tomorrow. ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते. ओम शांति शांति शांति. शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः. ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः. ओम शांति शांति शांति.